Good morning, friends. It's time for another vlog. Okay, it's almost midday, but we're not going to talk about that, okay? There's just some days that you need to rest. And today was that day. Anyway, I straightened my hair yesterday and I had totally forgotten that I did that. But at least now my hair is at least semi-done for the day. We don't have a lot of big plans, but we might go out shopping and stuff, so I guess I'll take you along for that. So my room is a bit of a mess, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up now. Okay, so we're almost on our way out. It is 1:30 now, and it's a Sunday, so things close early today. I forget about that. But there are some things that I need to get done beforehand. So I need to add the music credits for the music I used in my background, so I have to do that. So we just got home. Technically, I'm gonna have to head out in just a little bit to go pick up my mom because I dropped her off somewhere. But while she's getting done there, I'm just cleaning the stuff that I got today. It's not a huge haul or anything. A lot of just restocking on some things I needed, and then I went to go grab some acrylic bins because I've been needing to organize some stuff around the house. But besides that, nothing too exciting. Anyway, I might go to the gym right now just to do a quick walk on the treadmill, but I really don't want to, but I think I'm gonna. We'll see. So update, I did not go to the gym. I'm actually here waiting for my mom to be done. I thought she would have been done by now, but apparently not. And I didn't change into gym clothes, and I don't really feel like going to walk on the treadmill with jeans on. So I guess I'll just wait for her here and then we'll head home. I picked up my mom from the laundromat and then grabbed some dinner. As if I did not eat enough already, but whatever, I was hungry. Actually, I won't cut off the video here just yet because I got the Mexican pizza because they gave me fire sauce because I forgot to ask. So I'm trying the Mexican pizza for the first time ever. Okay. I've never tried this, but people love it. I don't know if rave is necessarily the right word, but they definitely love it. So let's see. Okay. I'm gonna add some of the fire sauce, although I see some salsa here. Okay. It's not gross, but I think it has beans, and I'm not a big fan of their beans. Yeah, it does. Also, I think I need some sour cream. So, I think I'm gonna grab some sour cream as well. Anyway, thanks again for coming along for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.